Ladies and gents, hope you're well. Yes, today we're going to be looking at the natural language option that's available in Maple 2024. So it's part of the artificial intelligence um, model that's been created in Maple 2024. Okay, so it uses ChatGPT and GPT-4 and so forth. Okay, cool. So on a side note, guys, I'll really appreciate it if you just subscribe to my channel. So if you like what you see, please do subscribe and please do share the videos with your friends. Cool, so let's get started. So with and then natural language. Okay, cool. And just a quick disclaimer as well. So obviously that all this stuff is coming from third-party AI tools, and they may not be accurate. Okay, so just bear that in mind. Right, cool. So I'm gonna start off with explain and explain Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule. And the model that I'm gonna use is ChatGPT. There we are. So the formula that allows us to solve systems of linear equations using determinants. Okay, so named after Swiss mathematician Gabriel Cramer. Okay, right. I'll use the same thing again, but I'll use a different model. Command copy and then explain again. So explain and paste that, and I'm gonna use GPT-4. Okay, so there we are. So Mr. Cramer from Switzerland. Okay, there we are. Way before our time. 1704 to 1752. Okay, cool. Right, and cracking on, get command. Right, and just gonna ask the model, how do I differentiate a function using the product rule? Product rule. Right, and the model that I'm gonna use here, let me just think. I'm gonna use OpenAI. So OpenAI on ChatGPT as well. There we are. So differentiate the function, and this is how we go about it. Okay, cool. And so get math. So the formula to solve the surface area of the sphere surface area of a sphere. So the model, I'm gonna go with chat again. It's a very famous one. Okay, there we are. Right, so I'm gonna do something. So query. Okay, so what is the radius of the Earth? The radius of the Earth. Right, and a model will be I'm gonna go with chat again. Yeah, ChatGPT. Right, so 6,371 kilometers. Right, I'll ask the same question to OpenAI. So query and then paste. So go OpenAI. Right, so 6371. Right, so we've got our formula there. So command copy, and then I'm gonna paste that here. Right, and my radius is 6371. Right, so evolve A. So that's the surface area of the Earth. Okay, right, and then do another one. So go query. So how do I plot a 3D contour graph in Maple. So my model again will be let's just go GPT-4. Right, let's see what happens. So we're evaluating. Right. So there we go. So it gives you the instructions on how to do it. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So anyway, so hopefully this was helpful. So if you like what you see again, please do subscribe and please share the videos with your friends. So fantastic, guys, and thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye bye.